We woke up this morning around 5:30, went out and did a little calling. Get out there, it was -4 degrees when we got out of the truck. Max and I and John King froze our butts off for 25 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. Decided to, this is crazy, it's too dang cold out. Let's go back to Max's house for a little while and, see if we can do anything over there. And sure enough, we're sitting there in the kitchen shooting shit with his mom and dad and whatnot, and look up, here comes a coyote onto a bait pile that we got set up over there for basically a little bit of predator management.
God's gonna cut him down. Go, go, down. Go, go, down. Go, go, down. Go, 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 down. Go, go, down. Tell him that God's gonna cut him down. Tell him that God's gonna cut him down. Go, go, down. Go, go, down. Go, go, down. Go, go. Tell him that God's gonna cut him down. Tell him that God's gonna down.
Usually we like to call them in. Around here we got a lot of deer. It's probably deer hunt all the time, so ideally bait pile works better for us sometimes. As you can tell, this one we kind of did a little bit of a favor too. We got the mange pretty bad, so never hurts. Today we had a fun day. Just another day out with the buddies and doing some coyote hunting. Chris had mentioned that he had shot one off a bait pile at my house. I just wanted to clear up with everybody that we understand what coyote hunting is as a sport, and we like to go out and call and get our coyotes just like everybody else does. But as far as shooting over a bait pile, given the layout of the land, we can't really call it because what's going on next door as far as their layout. So, we just take that as shooting them off a bait pile as predator management for our deer hunting. It's a little more convenient for us and easier for us. So we just wanted to clear that up. About 5 o'clock, 5:30. Went back out to where we were this morning out by Sherland, Illinois. And wouldn't you know, we're walking in, setting up. Hear some coyotes howling. Trying to spot them a little bit. Finally see one of them. Kind of lost them for a few minutes down in some thick brush. Set things up real quick. As soon as we get set down, situated, spot him again. Didn't like something with the setup. Don't know if it was just not what he was looking for or what, but he kind of booked out of there pretty quick. It would have been a long shot at that. Even if we would have taken a shot, it would have been close to 500 yards, maybe a little more.
Go, 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 go.
And today was an awesome day. We had a lot of action. This morning it was cold and we froze, but tonight we had a real good time. And this morning to see Chris shoot that one off the bait pile was awesome. And we just want to thank all you guys for keeping up with us on Facebook, and we now have our Twitter account rolling. So just keep up with us and keep checking on our sponsors and stay along with us for the ride to the top. Thanks.